relax and easily accept the following affirmations as my truth. I release any and all blocks and allow wealth to flow in. It is safe for me to be really, really rich. It is safe for me to enjoy great wealth. It is safe for me to enjoy my money. I always put my money to good use, and it is always returned to me tenfold or more. I love that money is always openly flowing into my life. I love the feeling of ease and gratitude I have around abundance and money. I find it so fun that I easily manifest money out of the blue. I am open to receiving large sums of money. I love that I literally get paid just to exist. I love how fun I find money. I get paid just for being myself. My income is continuously rising at a rapid rate. I never even have to work. I'm just naturally rich. Money is always falling into my lap. I love money and money loves me. We have an incredible relationship. Money loves to come to me from everywhere. I am entitled and deserve anything and everything I want. I attract money easily and effortlessly. I am an excellent money manager. I am the master of my wealth. I am in alignment with great wealth and abundance. I know there is enough money for everyone. I am a great giver and an excellent receiver. I am a money magnet. Money is always drawn to me. I am in alignment with generosity. I am in a place of ease and flow with money. I am in complete alignment with prosperity. I love that I always win. I am so grateful for all of my money. Every time I look at my bank account, I feel blessed. I handle massive success with ease. Thousands of dollars pour into my bank account each and every day. The money in my bank account continues to compound exponentially. I have a positive money mindset. I have always been good with money. My finances continue to improve. My finances improve beyond anything I could ever imagine. I am so happy and grateful large sums of money come to me on a continuous basis. Money loves being and growing in all of my bank accounts. I love my abundant and positive life. I love that large sums of money love living in my bank accounts. The more I give, the more I receive. I have more money than I could ever possibly spend. I am only available to have more money than I could ever possibly spend. I am abundant, rich, wealthy, deserving, and worthy. I have deep gratitude and I am so thankful for the wealth that is always flowing to me. Money flows to me no matter what I do. The more fun I have, the more money I make. I celebrate every dollar that comes my way. I am so grateful. I give thanks that I am now rich, well, and happy, and that my financial affairs are in divine order. Every day, in every way, I am growing richer and richer. Thank you, thank you, thank you.